Hey guys, and welcome back to the third episode in my testing beauty tools and devices. If you haven't discovered the previous two videos from this week, then I will have them linked down below if you want to go and check them out, along with my playlist of all the videos that I've done with regards to beauty tools and devices. So for today's video, we're going to be testing out another PMD device, and it is the PMD Clean Body. This is like a jumbo size of the PMD Clean for the face, but this one has multi-use attachments included in the box. So the PMD Clean Body device can be used daily, and as I mentioned, it comes with 3 interchangeable attachments that can be used to cleanse, exfoliate and massage. And as well as this, it comes in 5 colours, including the blush that I have, berry, navy, black and also the teal. The device retails for £145, but again you can use my PMD code that gets you 30% off when you use the code LauraPPBeauty at checkout. Okay, let me tell you a few benefits, which include deeper cleansing of the skin, reducing body breakout, smoother and softer skin, and a reduced number of ingrown hairs. In the box you will get your PMD Clean Body, which already has the silicone cleansing bristles. This cannot be removed, it's just part of the device, just like the PMD Clean Face. And then as well as this, you will get your 3 attachments that include the Polish Aluminium Oxide Exfoliator, the Silver Scrub Silver Infused Loafer, and then the Relax Body Massager, as well as your charging cable. Now the 3 attachments are magnetic and they're quite easy to get off, but they do have a firm grip to them to ensure that they stay on and are waterproof. So now let me show you all the ways that you can use the PMD Clean Body, whether that's in your daily body care routine or for a self-care moment. The PMD Clean Body has 4 customizable modes, just like the PMD Clean Face, that help work perfectly with your attachments. So starting off with the antibacterial aluminium oxide exfoliator, this is a great one to do first if you're having an everything shower. I love using this on mode 1 on my heels and the sides of my big toes to help buff away dead skin with ease. I would also recommend using a foot cream right out of the shower to help lock everything in. The Silver Scrub Loafer is a wonderful one to use to up-level your cleansing experience, gently exfoliate and to keep that bacteria at bay. Use modes 1 or 2 with your favourite cleanser for ultimately smooth, clean and pampered skin. For an everyday cleanse, opt for the silicone brush with your favourite cleanser on settings 1 or 2. And finally, right out of the shower, attach the Relax Body Massager combined with a body oil or balm and modes 3 or 4 to help melt away tension, relax and finish off your self-care pamper. So I think it's safe to say this is an amazing multi-use body care device. I love keeping mine in the shower with the hook. I just hook it on over the shower door, and that way it reminds me to use it on a daily basis. So for me on the daily, I do use the silicone side, as I think this gives the best deep, gentle exfoliation for everyday use. I do keep the loafer attachment on the device in the shower, and I tend to use this twice a week when I do my everything shower and I have a bit more time. I find this one is more efficient for a quick everyday shower, and this one's more like a pampering attachment. This is quite a weighty device, especially when you're doing it on the back, but you're not doing it for long, and it really does help keep your back clean because it is such an awkward place to get to. So that is where the long handle comes in really handy for getting all over the back. I really enjoy the Sonic Glow technology, which helps me get a deep clean of the body every time, and also the different modes that you can use this on. It truly can be personalized to you, and it's just an overall wonderful self-care device that I really look forward to using. It's good to look after the skin on your body as well as your face. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community. I will now see you on Sunday for the last video of the week. I hope you're all having a wonderful day or whatever you're doing, and I will look forward to seeing you guys then. Take care, bye.